So Pinky D's is a... Yes, we're going to go there. Hey everybody, Ernie's Journeys here. We're on another little adventure today. This time we're going to a food truck turned restaurant. That's right, we are going to Pinky D's in Auburn. We're going to Pinky D's to have some poutine. Pinky D's is the 2016 Maine Battle of the Food Truck winner. The owner is a two-time Maine Chef of the Year. So when we're talking poutine, we're talking award-winning poutine. Poutine is delicious. If you don't know what it is, it's served at hockey games throughout Canada. French fries, brown gravy, cheese curds. So we're about to go there today, supporting our local community, getting some local food, some local carryout. The restaurant is actually located inside a local brewery, by Each Brewing, which I'd like to take you there to sometime also. Because of social distancing, they only have their carryout window open. And so we're gonna go up and order some food. And they do a lot of different variations and twists on poutine. So we ordered 3 different kinds to sample and show to you guys today. If you get a chance to, if you're in the Auburn area, definitely check out Pinky D's. I'll put a link in the description below to their Facebook page. Give them a call, place an order today, help them out right now while all this COVID-19 is going on, and support your local community. Of course, I will be wearing my mask, and we also have hand sanitizer, so we're practicing good social distancing and being respectful of others, but also supporting local businesses. It's really important to do that. We are almost there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my mask on and get ready to go pick up our food. And here we are. Let's go get our food. I'm here and kind of have the whole place to myself for the moment. Real quick, so you're Randy, right?
Yeah, I'm Randy.
Oh, right. And I saw on your site that you guys were 2-time Chef of the Year.
Yeah.
And you guys won in 2016 for Best Food Truck.
Yeah, we've won a couple awards. We're super proud, yeah.
Awesome. That's way cool. I love the restaurant. I've been here a couple of times to eat. It's always good every time.
Thank you.
So
We got
definitely.
a new food truck coming out next couple weeks, so
Awesome.
look for that.
So we'll make sure to put a link to the Facebook page as well too, so that way we can stay in touch with you guys.
I appreciate it.
Hopefully soon we'll be able to do this without the mask, you know?
It sounds a bit weird.
It does.
We're getting held up on every order.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, you enjoy your day.
You guys have a great day. Thank you.
You too.
We're at a secret filming location for a future video to eat our food. Can you guess where it is from what you see here? If you're local and you know where this place is, leave a comment down below with your guess. The video for this, I think we'll probably post on Thursday. So let's eat some food. I did use my hand sanitizer, so I'm good to go as far as that goes. We're gonna eat out here in the open air. I'm gonna show these to you guys, and then we're gonna get down to eating, but you guys get the first look. This is Ninja's. Oh, look at that. This is the caprese. It's got mozzarella, tomatoes, green onions, and a balsamic reduction, a balsamic sauce that's like it's fantastic. It's really, really, really good. I want to be super careful that I don't drop any of this food. I'm putting it on the back of the Millennium Falcon. There's not a lot of room on the trunk. There's some room, but I just want to be really careful. Ooh, This one is the mushroom, which has, look at that, overloading with goodness. There's mushroom gravy, sauteed mushrooms, and cheese curds. The cheese curds have all melted down. It's hot. They're ready to eat. Look at this. This is the Korean barbecue. It's got kimchi on it. It's got this, I don't know what's in this sauce, but it's super good. And there's tons of pork on there. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. We're going to eat. You guys can watch. If you want some of your own, go down to Pinky D's, right next to Side by Each. Have a beer from Side by Each while you eat your Pinky D's. Enjoy. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the kimchi on this. Oh, man. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. The French fries are crisp. The pulled pork is tender. When the brewery opens, you can sit down with your family, eat, have a beer. The beer is really good there too. It's so good. My beard here is getting stuck in my mouth as I'm trying to eat it because I'm trying to jam so much of it in there. It is delicious. Seeger's being a really good boy right now. I bet you think you're going to get some of this, don't you? Nope, this is for me. I'm just kidding. I'll give him a little bit. Maybe. We're on the last one. Ninja and I split this one. Oh, you can see a little fuzzy thing from my microphone. Can you hear me okay? Hello, hello, hello. So, we normally get 3. We each one have one because I like meat and Ninja is a vegetarian. So this is where we meet in the middle. This one is the one with sauteed mushrooms, and these are super good. The mushrooms are very, very flavorful. The potatoes and all these stay crunchy, even though they get coated in the gravy. The cheese, and this is a vegetarian gravy on this one. You have that option to put vegetarian gravy on any of the orders. The cheese curds are melty and delicious all the way through. Definitely place your order today at Pinky D's. See them down below in the description for information. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you know of some good places that you'd like to see me go to, leave a comment down below. Let me know where to go. Give the video a like. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. It helps the channel out. Thanks again and have a great day. Pinky D's. That was delicious. We're all done here. I'm really glad that we're at a park because I need to walk this off. There's a contentment that you get when you eat really, really good food that if you're near a couch, you're just going to sink into and then disappear from consciousness. Thanks for watching, guys. So there's Pinky D's, and here's Side by Each.